Hey everybody, welcome back to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we're making one of my childhood favorites, pepper steak. Only vegan, of course. So we're going to take some portobello mushrooms and slice them into strips. I've already cleaned them. I've taken the gills out. If you don't like shrooms, you could try soy curls. It might work. We're going to make a very simple marinade with some soy sauce or tamari if you're gluten-free, some mirin, Japanese cooking sherry, and we'll give that a little whisk, pour it in. All the ingredients and the amounts will be in the recipe down below. We're going to make sure all those mushrooms are covered. Meanwhile, we're going to slice some onion, some green bell pepper, again, 1/4 inch, 1/3 inch strips. You probably won't use the whole bell pepper, but you can save those other strips for a salad later. We're going to mince some ginger, about a teaspoon, and some garlic, and set that aside. Now that all our prep is done, we're going to make the simple sauce. Again, more of that low sodium tamari or soy sauce, about a 1/4 cup. And about a 1/4 cup of low sodium veggie broth. Pour that in. Some more of that mirin. Again, mirin is a Japanese cooking wine or vinegar. It's in most grocery stores. Look in the Asian aisle, the ethnic aisle. You just find it easily. I'm going to add a little bit of tahini. Gives it a little bit of a sesame flavor and a little bit of fat, and that's just going to help that sauce stick to all the mushrooms and veggies really good when we cook it down later. Give that a whisk, a little black pepper, and some cornstarch. Whisk until all those lumps are gone, and now we can get our pan out. We're going to take that garlic and ginger, add it to the pan, and you can saute it in water. You can use veggie broth. I'm going to use a little bit of that sauce we just made. It's up to you. I don't cook with oil. We just want to get that soft, and it's going to smell really good here in a minute. And now we're going to add those mushrooms. We're going to cook that down until they shrink in size and most of that marinade is cooked off. It'll look just about like that. Then we're going to take our mushrooms off, set them aside. But don't get rid of that pan, we need it still. We got to cook the onions next. Again, you can use as little or as many onions as you want. Same with bell peppers. Same with the saute liquid. You can use water, you can use veggie broth. I'm using the sauce. It's up to you. We don't want to cook these too soft. We want to leave these kind of crisp. But if your pan gets too dry and it looks like maybe things are starting to burn a little bit, like you see right there, go ahead and add some water, tablespoon 2 or 3. Deglaze the pan, get all that yumminess back out into the veggies. Then we'll add those mushrooms in. Smelling incredible. We're going to mix that all up. Let that simmer for a second. Yum. Now we add in the sauce. All we're going to do here is just cook it on high until it's nice and bubbly and that sauce is reduced and thickened. And you've got one delicious vegan pepper steak, just like I used to eat when I was a kid. We always thought we were fancy going to a restaurant and getting pepper steak. So I hope you like it. If you do, do me a favor, hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe to and ring the bell if you want to see more videos like this. And until then, I will see you later after I eat this yummy pepper steak. This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks so much for watching.